Welcome to our video. We are excited to have you here and can't wait to share with you the amazing content we have in store. Whether you're here to learn something new, getting education, or simply pass the time, we've got you covered. Our team has worked hard to bring you the best possible experience, and we hope you'll enjoy every moment of it. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Introduction. Web development is a field that has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years. With the rise of the internet and the increasing importance of digital marketing, more and more businesses are looking to establish an online presence. However, for those who are not familiar with the field, the concept of web development can be confusing. In this script, we will explore what web development is, how it works, and the different technologies involved. What is web development? Web development refers to the creation and maintenance of websites. It involves several different aspects, including web design, web programming, database management, and server administration. The primary goal of web development is to create a website that is functional, user-friendly, visually appealing, and accessible to all users. Web development can be broken down into two main categories: front-end development and back-end development. Front-end development refers to the part of web development that deals with the user interface and user experience of a website. This includes everything from designing the layout and creating the navigation menu to adding interactive elements such as forms and buttons. Back-end development, on the other hand, deals with the server side of a website. This includes setting up a web server, creating a database to store data, and creating the server-side code that processes user requests. The history of web development. Web development has come a long way since the early days of the Internet. The first website was created in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee, and it was a simple HTML page that provided basic information. In the early years, websites were primarily static, and the focus was on providing information. However, as the Internet became more popular, so did the need for more interactive and dynamic websites. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, web developers began to use more advanced programming languages and tools to create more dynamic and interactive websites. This led to the creation of content management systems, CMSs, which allowed web developers to create and manage websites without having to write code from scratch. Examples of popular CMSs include WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. Tools and technologies used in web development. Web development involves the use of a variety of tools and technologies. Some of the most commonly used tools and technologies include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, content management systems, and server-side scripting languages. HTML and CSS are the foundation of every website. HTML is used to create the structure of the web page, while CSS is used to style the page and make it visually appealing. JavaScript is a programming language that is used to create dynamic and interactive websites. It is often used to add functionality to a website, such as animations, form validation, and more. Content management systems are software platforms that allow web developers to create and manage websites without having to write code from scratch. They provide a user-friendly interface that allows users to add and edit content, manage users and permissions, and more. Examples of popular CMSs include WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. Server-side scripting languages like PHP, Python, and Ruby are used to create dynamic web pages and web applications. They allow web developers to create websites that are more interactive and can handle user input. Challenges in web development. Web development is not without its challenges. Some of the common challenges faced by web developers include browser compatibility, security, and performance. With so many different web browsers available, web developers need to ensure that their websites are compatible with all of them. This can be a challenging task, as different browsers may interpret code differently or have different levels of support for certain features. Web developers also need to ensure that their websites are secure and protected against hacking and other cyber threats. This involves implementing security measures such as encryption, firewalls, and user authentication. Websites need to load quickly and be responsive to user input. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.